Okay, people, so huge shout out to Soundcore. They sent me over my very first PR pack. Media bundle? PR bundle? I'm not sure what it's called, but it's just a box with a bunch of free stuff in it that I get to review in front of you guys. Now, I've seen plenty of my favorite tech YouTubers get these media bundles when new products get released, and I always thought to myself, damn, I can't wait till I start getting bundle packs like that. And you know what, people? The wait is over. And I'm just happy that I can share this experience with all you beautiful people out there.
Want to see some love? It's Love Day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love. Now, before I get into this unboxing, as you can see on the box right here, it says always distracted by noise, and then you just get a bunch of noise words. It says engine, talking, honking, snoring, drilling, crying, siren, mowing, shouting, just a bunch of different words on the front side and the back side. And then you have this pull tab right here. It says open to discover space. Now, the reason why they say open to discover space is because their new lineup is their space lineup. So I did get a bunch of literature via email from Soundcore letting me know that what's inside of here is the Space A40 earbuds and then the Space Q45 over-the-ear headphones. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox these and see what Soundcore has been cooking up. Okay. As I open this up, as you can see right here, it says every journey sounds good. And I do believe that, okay, so you have your magnet at the bottom right there. So let me go ahead and open this up and see what they're talking about. Do you see that, people? I know you see what's in the box. Okay, people, so as I open this up, right as I open this up, on the inside, you do have the Space Q45s right here. You have the Space A40s right here. You also get some words right here. So it says, introducing Space Series. In a world surrounded by noise, personal space and moments of peace and quiet have become a luxury. Space brings you the ultimate noise canceling experience paired with ultra long battery life so you can enjoy some extra personal space wherever you go. You have the Q45s right here. You have the A40s right here. You also get, is this? Oh, it's just a notebook. Okay, that's different. I don't know what that's about. You just get a notebook right here in this little Soundcore paper pouch. I guess you got notes to take, keep notes on here. And yeah, so that's everything that's inside this pack. So Soundcore asked me to make a dedicated video for the Q45s and the A40s. So as you can tell from the title and the thumbnail, I'm going to be talking about the Q45s in this video. Okay, people, and we're back. I spent a little bit of time with these Space Q45 over-the-ear headphones, and let me tell you something, people, these are a thing of beauty. Currently, right now, they're going on sale for around $150. They're available in black right now, but I do believe that the white and the navy blue, they said, will be available in Q4 later on this year. Links will be in the description down below for the Soundcore site and Amazon as well. Now, quickly going around the front of this box, on the top right, it says Space Q45 wireless noise canceling headphones. On the left side, Soundcore by Anchor. Anchor, if you watch this, holla at your boy. I really would like to review some of your new products coming out. Noise canceled playtime extended, high-res audio wireless, and high-res audio, adaptive ANC, which I will talk more about when we get into the app, up to 98% noise reduction, 50 hours of playback time. Now, the 50 hours of playback time, that's with ANC on, so that is what they said is an industry standard, industry leader, and then you get a total of 65 hours of playback time with ANC off, which is crazy to me. On the back side, it says pretty much the same thing. Adaptive active noise canceling, 50 hours of playback time, high-res sound via double-layered diaphragm drivers, AI enhanced calls via 2 mics, 1 in each ear, reduced noise by up to 98%, customizable transparency mode. You do have an app which is available in the Google Play Store and the App Store as well, and I will briefly go over that app in this video. On the side of the box, it says strong targeted noise canceling via 3-stage noise canceling system that targets and blocks out noise from low, mid, and high frequencies. Performance tested, reduced noise by up to 98%. That's pretty much everything on the outside of the box, people. So let me open this up. up and show you exactly what you get on the inside of the box. Inside of the box, as soon as you open up, you do have your Soundcore case right here on top. It is a nice soft, I don't think this is leather, but it's like a soft silicone feel. It might be leather. I'm not sure. It's a semi-soft case, but I think it's good enough protection that you won't have to worry about getting your headphones smashed. And the headphones are foldable, so I'll show you that in a little bit. And very quickly, let me touch on the battery life. I did mention that it is 50 hours of playback time with ANC on, 65 with ANC off, but it does have fast charge, and 5 minutes of charge time will get you around 4 hours of playback time. And I couldn't find where it said how long it takes to charge these back up completely if you do kill the battery, but with the USB Type-C port on here, I'm guessing maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours at the max to charge these completely back up. But if I'm wrong, go ahead, feel free to check me down below in the comments. Okay, people, so as soon as you open this case up, you get the headphones right here on top, just like this. And as you can see, they are foldable. You also get your charging cable right here, USB Type A to USB Type-C charging cable, and then you get your headphone cable, your 3.5mm headphone cable, which plugs into the audio jack on side of the headphones. And that's pretty much it. It also comes with this cutout, I guess, to see how it goes in here. I would have liked to seen maybe this cutout being built into the actual case. It would just been a nicer touch, in my opinion. If that's something that bothers you, then simply just take the case out and then just rock it with it like that. I think that's probably what most people would do. Just take that out and then just set it inside just like this. But I probably talked too much about that, so I'm not going to bring that up anymore. And then also on the case, you do have this nice strap right here to clip this to a bag or something, or just to hold it up like that. And that's everything for the case. Going to these headphones right here, these are a very, very nice premium feel, premium looking headphone. You got nice weight to it. You do have a nice headband right here, click style headband. You have these aluminum alloy hinges right here. And then you also have these super soft ergonomic cups. I mean, I do believe these are memory foam, as you can see right there, but these are amazing. These just feel good when you put these on. They're lightweight, they're comfortable, that you can wear these all day long. On the right ear cup, as you can see, you do have your headphone jack right here. You have your play pause button, and you have your volume up and volume down button. And you also have two other speaker grills right there. On the left ear cup, you have another speaker grill right there. You have your USB Type-C charging port, you have your power button, and you also have your noise canceling button. And I'll get to the button functions with all of these when I go more inside of the app. You also have a nice Soundcore badge, really subtle Soundcore badge right here on the outside of the band on both sides. Also have the Soundcore logo on the outside of each ear cup, which is a nice touch. It does say Space Series on the outside of the left cup. One thing that I love about these headphones is that there are no touch surfaces. I know some of you out there might love touch surfaces, and that might be something that you're interested in, but I'm not the biggest fan of touch surface, never have been. So I'm glad that Soundcore did not include touch surface on here. It's just all physical buttons. Good job, Soundcore. Now, some other additional info about these headphones is that they do have the LDAC codec. They have safe volume limits inside of the app. These also are capable of multi-point connection, which I will show you once we get inside the app. So the mic holes on here, like I said earlier, you have 4 mics for hybrid ANC. I believe 2 on each ear cup, but I'm only seeing 3 grills, so I'm not 100% sure where the 4th one might be. And then you also have AI enhanced calls with 2 mics as well. I'm not sure if there's 6 mics total or just 4 mics total, but I only see 3 mics. There might be other microphones on the inside of these ear cups, but I can't see them right now. I apologize. I'm not being the best tech YouTuber right now. My bad. All right, people. So as soon as you get these, what you want to do is charge these up completely and also download the Soundcore app. As you can see, I do have the Soundcore app right here. Click on that. I do believe I already have these connected to my mobile device. Let me just cut these back on. And there you go. They're automatically connected. So what you want to do first is you want to sync these to your Bluetooth. If you're on iOS, you want to sync this to your Bluetooth and then open up the app. I believe Android, you can just open up the app and just sync these and they'll work just like that. That's how the Space A40 earbuds were. So thinking that it might be the same way with here. But anyways, here's the main screen right here. And I'm going to keep this very short inside of this video. If you want to see a full in-depth video on this app, I'll put a YouTube card right here. Once it's done, that should pop up right there. So on the inside of this app, under the top right on the gear icon, this is where you can toggle noise reduction. You have auto power off, up, update firmware, prompt tones, device list. Also, you have your ambient sound right here, the ambient sound section with your different modes. So noise canceling, normal, and transparency mode. And if you click on noise canceling, you have different modes that you come inside of here, and then you could customize your noise canceling 5 different levels, or you can just do adaptive noise canceling. And so what adaptive noise canceling is that it will read the ambient sounds going on in your background and adjust accordingly. Custom noise canceling, it will just stay at the level that you want the entire time. Also under transparency mode, you have different modes as well. So you do have talk mode and custom transparency mode, and you do have 5 different levels with that. For talk mode, it says the music volume is lowered to enhance voices. Custom transparency mode, the higher the transparency level, the stronger the ambient sound pass-through effect. And then so just for the sake of this video, I'm going to leave it on talk mode for now. You also have your controls right here. So it's not too much to go with. So it's the NC button on the left ear cup, and you have press once, and all you can do is just toggle between your ambient sound mode, noise cancellation, transparency mode, and normal. I'll keep all of those on, and if you press it twice, it will turn the bass up on and off. So what the bass up is if you go to sound effects and then you click on default, as you can see right there, it says bass up. So if I click it twice, you'll see it turn off just like that. Click it twice again, it'll turn. Oh, no, didn't want that. Twice again. It's not working. Hold up. There you go. So it's twice again, and it'll turn the bass back up. So that's what bass up is right there. That was under controls. Now, the additional controls for your on the right ear cup, they're pretty much self-explanatory. You have your play and pause button, which also doubles as your answer and end phone calls, and then you have your volume up button, which also doubles as your track forward and track back. All you have to do is hold the volume up button for like 2-3 seconds, it'll go to the next track. If you hold the volume down button for about 2-3 seconds, it'll go to the previous track. So those are all the button functions on here. Like I said, no touch surfaces on these headphones whatsoever, which I do like. And then you also have your sound effects here at the bottom. I just quickly showed this to you, so you do have your default, and you can pick between all of these various presets right here. I do like the Soundcore signature, keep that on there, and then you have your custom right here where you come in here and customize your EQ. So that's pretty much it, the app in a very quick overview. Like I said in previous videos, the main thing that I'm looking for inside of an app is be able to control your touch surfaces, if you have touch surfaces, or your touch buttons, which you do right here, and then also adjust your EQ to get that tailored sound or find a preset that you like. Those are the basic minimums that I'm looking for inside the app. Anything more than that, to me, is just something nice to have. To be able to go into the app and adjust the various sounds of, adjust the various levels of the ANC on here from 1 to 5, or have the adaptive noise canceling on, it's something that other companies they've been doing, but now that Soundcore is doing it, and they're doing it at a even lower price, it's something that you just can't look past. So if you are in the market for some new headphones and you want very good ANC, you want very good transparency mode, definitely give these Space Q45s a look, because you will not be disappointed, in my opinion. Sound quality on here, since you do have the various ways to go inside of the app and adjust the EQ, you'll get very good sound quality on here. You can either choose from the multiple presets, or you can just customize the EQ exactly how you want. In my opinion, it's a very, very good dynamic sound. You're able to get those crystal clear highs, the evenly spread out mids. You can get some thumping bass out of here. Obviously, I've heard better, but these do produce a good amount of bass from what I've experienced. Okay, people, so as you're hearing my voice right now, this is how the other person on the other end of the phone will hear you during a call. Now, you do get AI enhanced calls on here with 2 mics, which really helps out when it comes to your more louder conditions with more ambient sound coming in. Maybe you're in a city environment, or you're just in any loud environment. Those additional 2 mics really help out when it comes to call quality. Now, I'm going to put some background noise on just so you can see how much or how little ambient sound these do actually let in. Okay, so just like on my previous videos, I have my Onyx Studio 6 right here. I'm going to put ambient sound on here. It's a very extreme test in my opinion, because the speaker is right here in my face. So I'm going to cut it down halfway, and then I'll turn it all the way up so that you can see how much it actually lets in. So that's at around 50%. I don't know if you can hear that. And then this is at 100%. It's just normal city sounds. The speaker is obviously right here. You hear that jackhammer going on in the background. I'm not sure how much it's actually letting in. If I'm talking more, if it's letting more in, or if I'm talking, when I do stop talking, does it let less in? Let me know what you think. And that is the end of my call quality test. Let me know what you think. Put a comment down below if it was a good call quality test, or I mean, if these headphones performed really good during this call quality test, or they just weren't that good. I won't find out till post, so feel free to leave a comment down below. So for Latency people, I tested this out on YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, Apple TV Plus, Disney Plus, Peacock, Amazon Prime Video, you know, all your usual streaming services, and I noticed zero latency. Now, I did play one round of Call of Duty on here. I did notice slight latency. There's no gaming mode for these headphones inside the app, so I'm not sure if that's something they can change, or if you do plan on using these for gaming, these just might not be a good idea. But it was slight, but it wasn't dramatic like I've noticed with other over-the-ear headphones. And that's all I got for you people. That is my unboxing and first impressions of these Soundcore Space Q45 over-the-ear headphones. It's a solid pair of headphones, people. Premium quality for your $100 price point. Great look, great sound, and it has an app. So everything that you're looking for in a headphone, these Soundcore Q45 definitely offers to you. And the best part about these headphones, in my opinion, is that they have physical buttons and not touch surfaces. And that's all I got for you people. If you found any value in this video, or if this is your first time to my channel, please feel free to smash the subscribe button down below. And don't forget, click that bell icon so you get notification on when I drop my next tech video. As always, thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.